Hello guys, if you need to create a new folder in Telegram for your chats, then this video is for you. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. First of all, when you open Telegram application, then simply tap on the menu option on the upper left corner, and here tap on settings option. Here scroll down a little bit and you will see chat folders option, so tap on this, and here tap on create new folder option in the bottom, and here give the name to your folder. Let's suppose I am giving the name, and then OK. Then tap on add chats, add some members. Let's suppose I'm adding some members, and then tap on save option. Now folder has been created for some chats. So that is the method. I hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.